And I would like to begin now. Fellow Toastmasters and friends, I would like to begin this speech by asking a question. I'm again repeating by asking a question. I have a question with me. Anybody can answer. We have three important things in our life to be succeeded. One is attitude, another one is skill, and third one is knowledge. That is why I said ask. So I want to ask a question now. Which one is important to be successful in our life? Whether it is attitude, skill, or knowledge? I request our fellow Toastmasters to please answer. Somebody is Manoj typed as attitude.
Attitude.
Attitude. Attitude. Okay, most of you are agreeing.
Plays a major role.
Most of you are agreeing that attitude is playing the major role. Okay, we proceed with my speech. My dear friends, I would like to tell three stories to you, three beautiful stories. And before me telling these stories, I want to connect it with cricket. Do you all love cricket, or is there anyone who hates it in the group now? I
We love cricket.
Okay, so most of you love cricket, so you can connect it very easily. See, first example which I want to give about attitude. In my opinion, there is one attitude cricketer in our Indian cricket team that is none other than Yuvraj Singh. See, why I am calling him as attitude cricketer is because of his first overseas tour. In the year 2000, he was in Nairobi, and the great team captain was Ganguly. Ganguly knew that Yuvraj was a attitude player. So when they reached Nairobi, this person at about 9 o'clock in the night, he was not there in the hotel. Ganguly knew that he would be available in one of the bars or pubs in the locality. So he went and he brought him back. Next day, he hit a 82 runs, which was very crucial to win against Australia. So that is why I consider Yuvraj as an attitude wala cricket player. Then second example which I want to tell is Vinod Kambli. Vinod Kambli is a wonderful, skillful cricket player. First one was attitude. Now I am explaining skillful. Vinod Kambli was a very, very skillful cricketer. But what happened? See, over a period of time, West Indies bowler gave him a bouncers, but he couldn't adjust, or his attitude was different. Even though he had a lot of skill, but he couldn't succeed, or he couldn't be in the cricket pitch. The third example which I am going to give about knowledge, who is Harsha Bhogle. Harsha Bhogle, everybody knows there cannot be any other person who can challenge cricket knowledge in front of Harsha Bhogle. But guys, please remember, Harsha Bhogle cannot play cricket, but he is very, very knowledge-oriented person in cricket match. So now I will give you a best example, the perfect example for both attitude, skill, and knowledge of cricket. That is none other than our Rahul Dravid. Because we all know when his wife Vijayata Pendarkar was packing his luggage for any cricket tour, he would have agreed to less his food pack, but he never agreed to lesser even 0.1 kg of his cricket bag or cricket kit. So that was the attitude, that was the skill, that was the knowledge, or that was the commitment what Rahul Dravid had towards cricket. But these three stories are just as a preamble or to set a pace for this particular speech of mine today. But my dear friends, my hero, my speech hero has not yet come. My speech hero is a very committed cricket player, and he is the hero of my speech. Why he is hero? just because even after several years of failures, he came back, fought, and he proved that he was a winner. Any guess who is this cricketer whom I am talking about? Any guess?
Dhoni.
Okay. There is no guess. My dear friends, he is not Kapil, he is not Dhoni, he is not Gavaskar, not certainly Ganguly. He is also not Virat Kohli, but he is Marwan Attapattu from Sri Lanka. Why I am telling about Marwan Attapattu? Marwan Attapattu played a debut match in 1990. He was given 2 matches in that series. He got decked out in both the matches. After 20 months, he got selected for a second time. In both the innings, he got out for again 0-0. But he did not leave. He went back and practiced for 17 months. Again, he got chance for 6-match series. Again, he could score only 6 runs. But after 3 years, again, he came back to Sri Lankan team, wherein he scored 29 runs out of only 5 matches. It took him for 7 years to prove himself as a cricketer. Against India, he scored a century after 7 years. Later part of the story is the history. Marwan Attapattu played 90 matches, scored 5,000 odd runs, hit 16 centuries and 59 half centuries. And the significant part is he was also a captain for Sri Lankan cricket team. So Marwan Attapattu was a blunt person. He did not leave. Every time when he failed, he went back and played first-class cricket, practiced his net cricket, more than 14 hours, 15 hours, and he came back. In my opinion, Marwan Attapattu is the person who is combination of attitude, skill, knowledge, and also commitment. That is why he is called as legend. My dear friends, as everybody told, attitude is important. In my view, attitude, skill, knowledge, commitment, all are very important. So I would like to end my speech with this Kannada sentence. ಪಟ್ಟು ಇದ್ದವರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟಪಟ್ಟು ಆಗಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ.